Okay, a squadron mate asked me to write a script to ensure that a Manpad hit a target. So here's the script I wrote. We've got a show lure right at the top, which just tells us that the script is running, which once we know it is, we can just not refer to it. Then we've got the key function here, which is Manpad kill. So what does that do? There's an event, the guy shoots the missile, so we get the time, we get his position, we get we get his unit. We can't get the position without going through this group get by name and unit, and then the group has units, and then we get the first unit in the group, and then we get the position .p. That gives us a vec3, and then we do exactly the same with the target, which are the two variables passed. So those are group names because we can't pass unit names because we can't get a unit pause. We can't get a unit from a variable, or at least I don't know how we can. So anyway, now we've got the two. We're not being very sophisticated here. So we're just using an average speed for the missile. So the first thing we do is use Mr. Pythagoras to work out how far the two are apart. And that's not very hard math for anyone who did math at school. That's square of the hypotenuse is the square of the other square of the other two sides. So we've got delta x, delta y, delta z. We square them all, add them all together, and root them. And that gives us the slant range. So the x, y, z, square of the hypotenuse, square of the sum of the squares of the other two sides, excuse me. And so now we've got his range, then speed equals distance over time, so we reverse that. So time equals distance over speed. We add that to the time up here, the guy shot. It seemed a bit sensitive, the scheduler, on taking non-integer numbers, so we rounded them up, and then we set a schedule to kill the target when we hit time on target, and kill just refreshes the position of the unit, gives off a big bomb, and then just to make sure the unit really is dead, 10 seconds later we'll run a unit destroy, which just takes the unit out of the game. And so that looks like this. Even though the Russian's completely incompetent, and that's good enough.